Hey boys and girls, yeah, I'm recording from my phone because I can't edit on my computer anymore for some reason. Luke, I did a video on him today. He's pretty much done with the build, had some problems with him, but the computer just keeps crashing while I'm editing and it just keeps stopping in the middle of edits. So I think the 13-year-old girl has finally seen her days. I was able to practice live stream. I didn't go live, but I can live stream, so it looks like I'll be able to do that. But as far as videos go, it's going to be a while before I post up a video, just because I can't edit and I don't like recording from the phone here. So if you want, I'll probably be posting a lot of stuff up. Check out not HobbyLinkInternational.com, HobbyLink International Shorts on YouTube. I'll be posting a lot of stuff up there. They'll only be quick 15-second videos, but it'll be stuff I'm doing here until I can afford to get a new computer. So that's it for now. Let me toss this up on YouTube, and I'll see you guys when I see you. Later.